Hello बच्चों and welcome to my channel. Today we learn about human heart. Today we learn about human heart. The heart is a fist size organ. The heart is a fist-sized organ that pumps blood throughout your body. The heart is fist-sized organ that pumps blood throughout your body. It is the primary organ of your circulatory system. Your circulatory system. It is the primary organ of your circulatory system. Your heart contains four main sections. Four main sections: chambers, made of muscles and powered by electrical impulses. Your brain and nervous system direct your heart's function. Thank you.